Today, I will show you how to set up 24/7 customer service for your music school using AI. Begin by navigating to the AI settings, select Data Source, and proceed to the Website section. Simply enter your website's URL and review and edit the ingested data to ensure it is accurate and updated. Now let's test Apollo's responses before you activate it on your website. As you can see, Apollo uses the data from your website to respond to customer queries. Activate the recrawl feature to keep your content current. You can also change Apollo's name, role, and upload an image that you prefer. Imagine using toAIAssist to offer instant, precise responses to student inquiries using the data from your website. Are you still handling customer service yourself? Activate tawk.to's AI Assist today and watch Apollo handle queries for you 24/7.